how to create product variants with Polr.sh, the newest payment provider for your online business. So once you sign up with Polr, you are met with the dashboard over here. And here you can clearly see all your options that you have for your website or business. And to create a product variant, we go to Product and to Catalog. Then we are met with this screen, and it is as simple as creating a new product. Here we enter basic subscription. We can add a description and set the type of product. We are going for a subscription. So we are doing a monthly fixed payment of $29. And here you have some extra options like a trial period or extra metadata fields. And then we click Create Product. And there we go. It is saved over here. And now we will create a new product. And we will call this medium subscription. There we go. Monthly payment of fixed price of $59. And here you can also add images. And we click Create Product. Now we have two variants of the product, and we can go to checkout links over here. And here we can add a new checkout link. Check, yes. And you can give it a name. We'll call this test link variant. And to actually have the variant show up during the checkout for the customer, you can select them both over here. So we select basic subscription and medium subscription. There we go. You can also enter a success URL, and either if you have discounts available, etc. And then we click Create Link. And then the link is created, and we will open it right now to test it out. There we go. And this is what the customer sees, and they can, when they open a link, they can choose the variant that they like to purchase. So that's how to create variants with Polr.sh.